Hi, I'm Lawrence from Detectortesters. Here we're going to be going through the process of a technician accepting their invite, logging onto the DT Connect app and starting a job. So once we've sent an invite from the web portal, the technician should receive an email. If they click on the link to claim their account, they'll then be taken to a page where they can enter in their password. Once their password has been created, they can use this to log in later. Next up, we'll go to the App Store to download the DT Connect app. The app is available for iOS and Android. Once we open up the app, the technician will have to enter in their email address and password they created earlier. Click Next and you should be logged in. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled in order to connect your device. Turn your XTR2 on and it should appear in the Select Device menu. Tap on your device and it should connect. Once your device is connected, you'll be able to see the status of that device and you'll be able to create a job. Enable your location settings and this should allow you to see nearby addresses. Once you've entered the location details of your site, you can begin testing.